Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com, and we're featuring ISRG. It's going to report earnings any moment, and we're up $20 going into this earnings report. This is a weekly chart. This is the weekly breakout. This is going to be from the last reporting session. We went straight down, and we were short this name. That's the last quarterly report. Straight down. They've come straight right back up to this weekly resistance. The stock has ran parabolically up from last week down here. Once it made its bottom down here, you were down here at 491, and now you're at 533, and they're going to report earnings after the closing bell, right along with IBM and a few others. However, that's that weekly resistance. I will have an after hours chart that I have here right now on Intuitive Surgical for my new MMTs and existing MMTs. We are going to watch this knee-jerk reaction, and you have witnessed now that the name is up 21.3. If we gap up, I'm putting a short out right now, Rick Goley. I'm telling everyone to put a short out at $500.6750. Just in case they gap it up on a good report. It likes to spike up, but it's already ran in anticipation of a good report. Intuitive Surgical. You have to remember that over here on the weekly chart, last quarter, it got pounded. And it got pounded hard, and we were short that name. And let me tell you another thing. This name here is coming back up. It's going to have lots of trading. It's going to have lots of volatility. And I just want you to see the weekly chart. The upper end of the gap on the earnings will get gapped up there. That's going to be 541. On the top side, that's going to be 552 over here. And if it wants to do a super gap, we'll take a look at this crown over here at 562. On the flip side of it, if it misses it, we'll look and see how the stock would gap all the way back down to these period moving averages. Right now, this weekly chart is about as bullish as you can get. It went into a weekly buy signal going into the earnings. But now we're going to have to deal and see what ISRG is made of. We will be doing the live entries momentarily. I will conclude where the gap ups are. I will also conclude that gap down here to $500 just in case they miss. And it's going to be that $500 mark. And here we go right now. After hours is coming our way. And here it is. The market is closed. The market is closed. Right now, it's 102. And you can see that you have a bid of 528 and you have an ask of 535 right now. There has been no report. But you can see there was a big seller at 54,000 shares on the closing bell of ISRG. We're on standby. This is the same video going into the close. It's after hours now. Here's the after hours tick chart. And we have limit orders out to buy at around 495 is okay with me. Just in case there's some big volatility down. And we've already went over that in this video. We're live right now. And we're going to see what kind of knee-jerk emotion that we get. Here we have a bid now of 533 by 535.75. No price movement yet. After hours check chart right up here. Live right now. Whoa! Somebody just sold something down to 525 below that marketplace. 525. Look at that. Here we go. Here we go. I got a 5. What do I got? I had a 551 print. I got an ask of 551 right now, everybody. There's that 551, Mr. Plain. Go to 565 on the short. They liked, oh, there it is right now. 100 shares short. There's another short, 120. There it is, dropping down $10. There's that 538. Look at that price level. Look here on that tick chart. Whoa, 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 whoa. 528.50 by 537. We got that hook short up there. They hooked that short up, printing at 519, 519. Don't get excited, MMT. 513, Brian Plain, get back below that market. 505, printing. That's why we were short. Yes, we are. Look at that right there. 502, 502. Look at that closing bell. Went right up to 550. You seen it. I seen it. There's that volatility hook. Back to that 502 handle. This is live. It's here. It's now. It's all over. There it is. 497. Cancel that 495. Cancel that 495. Go to 494. 494, 494, 496.84 printed, 496.84. Look at that big gap down. And we got that short. Yes, we do. You can't tell me I didn't, because we do. MMTs, I bet you 11 life right about now. There it is, a $500 print, 496, Brian Plain. And my new MMT, Rick, look at here. It's your first one, buddy. Didn't I tell you it was going to be like that? Plain. They're going to bid pop it all over the map. I'll come back, but we go ahead and put it out back at 497. Put it out at 497 and start scaling in again if it pulls back down there. It got down to my 496.85, and now they're trying to bid pop it here. And I'm going to, there it is, but only do a small amount.
I can only do 50 then.
Do 25 shares to start it with. We just got hit down here at the bottom. Mr. Plain put it out to sell at 502. Protect the entry. I would just throw it out at 4 because it's all over the map. It's all over the map, and we were already short, so trying to get this little pop off of the bottom. Limited out at even money, limited out at even money. There it is, 497 low. There it is. I have a 498, and it's still trying to make that low. Go down to $485 and let them fool around with it in there, and we'll sell the rest of it up there at 502. But that is the ISRG just getting pounded, and we have those put options live.